Hi guys! Today let's practice some of the commonly asked Azure topics in the interview. We are going to cover topics like basics of cloud computing, few things about Azure, models available in Azure, SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, Azure services. What is cloud? The cloud in Azure is a global network of servers that allow users to access data and files online from any device connected to the internet. The cloud is a virtual ecosystem where servers are connected to store and manage data, run applications, and deliver content. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet or the cloud. It allows users to access computing resources such as storage, servers, and databases on demand. Users only pay for the services they use, which can help them lower operating costs, run infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as their business needs change. What is Azure? Azure is a public cloud platform from Microsoft that offers over 200 cloud services and products. What are the various cloud models available? Public cloud, it offers the services over the public internet and shared across the multiple users. Example AWS, Azure. Private cloud is a cloud infrastructure that is dedicated to an organization and is not accessible over the public internet. Example HPE, Dell, IBM, etc. are the private cloud providers. A hybrid cloud is a computing environment that combines a public cloud with an on-premises data center, private cloud. This allows data and applications to be shared between the two environments. Example Netflix, Uber, Airbnb, etc. are some of the most popular companies that rely on this cloud.
What is IaaS and PaaS and SaaS in Azure? The three categories of service that Microsoft Azure can provide for businesses are: Platform as a Service, PaaS, is a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud, with resources that enable you to deliver everything from simple cloud-based apps to sophisticated, cloud-enabled enterprise applications. Software as a Service, SaaS, allows users to connect to and use cloud-based apps over the internet. Common examples are email, calendaring, and office tools, such as Microsoft Office 365. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, is a type of cloud computing service that offers essential compute, storage, and networking resources on demand, on a pay-as-you-go basis. IaaS is one of the four types of cloud services, along with Software as a Service, SaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Serverless. What are the mostly used services of Microsoft Azure? Azure Active Directory, Azure CDN, Azure Function, Cosmos DB, Azure SQL, DevOps, Azure Backup, Logic Apps, Virtual Machine, Azure Data Factory. Azure Active Directory or AD is one of the most popular cloud computing services from Microsoft Azure. Belonging to the identity section, it is a universal cloud-based identity platform and access management service. Azure AD offers single sign-on, SSO, and multi-factor authentication, MFA, to help secure access to on-premises and cloud resources from cybersecurity threats. User can access the software from any corner of the world through authenticated login. Azure Content Delivery Network or CDN is a global network of servers that delivers content to consumers. It uses edge servers located near users to store cached content, which reduces network latency and improves user experience. It delivers content while protecting apps, APIs, and websites from cyber threats, and works seamlessly with Azure Services and Modern Content Delivery Network, CDN, technology. Azure Function is a serverless compute service that enables user to run event-triggered code without having to provision or manage infrastructure. It executes your code in response to events triggered by Azure services or other resources. Types of Azure functions are HTTP trigger functions, timer trigger functions, queue trigger functions, blob trigger functions, event grid trigger functions, service bus trigger functions, Cosmos DB trigger functions, IoT hub trigger functions, durable trigger functions, custom trigger functions. Azure Cosmos DB is a fully managed, distributed database that supports NoSQL. Cosmos DB ensures full availability while restricting read and write latencies to single-digit milliseconds. It also supports multiple data models through a single backend and thus can be used for graph models, key-value, relational models, and documents. Azure SQL is an Azure PaaS service for managing relational databases in the cloud. Azure SQL supports a range of database engines, including Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and MariaDB. It also offers tools for managing and accessing data, including Azure Data Studio and Azure Portal. Azure DevOps is a cloud-based SaaS service that helps organizations to manage their software development lifecycle. Azure DevOps provides a complete end-to-end solution for DevOps teams, from planning and collaboration to build and deployment. It also integrates with other Azure services, such as Azure Active Directory and Azure Monitor, to provide a comprehensive solution for DevOps teams. DevOps are greatly beneficial to their applications, irrespective of the platform, language, or cloud. They also enable faster delivery through active planning and better collaboration. Using the efficient tools, this Azure service ensures an access to unlimited, cloud-hosted private Git repository where the application coding welcomes collaboration with advanced file management. Azure Backup offers a reliable and cost-effective way to backup and restore your data in the cloud. It uses Azure Storage to store your data in the cloud, so you can rest assured that your data is safe and secure. Azure Backup also offers multiple recovery options, so you can choose the best option for your needs. Logic Apps helps you to schedule, automate, and orchestrate tasks, processes, and workflows. Azure Logic Apps connects to your Azure services and dozens of other third-party services, so you can create automated jobs or routines without writing code. You can create an Azure Logic app in minutes using the Azure Portal or Azure CLI. Azure Virtual Machine lets you create a virtual machine in Azure and install any compatible operating system, such as Linux or Windows. There is no upfront cost, and you pay only for the resources you use. A virtual machine is generally called an image, a file that can behave like an actual computer. Using hypervisors management, Microsoft Azure also enables running multiple virtual machines on the same physical computer. Each virtual machine has its own virtual hardware along with specifications for CPU, memory, hard drive, network, etc. Virtual machines can reduce the cost of investing in physical machines along with the added maintenance cost, power charges, and cooling facilities. Azure Data Factory allows you to create data-driven workflows for orchestrating and automating data movement and data transformation. Azure Data Factory integrates with Azure services such as Azure Blob Storage, Azure SQL Database, and Azure HD Insight. Azure Data Factory also supports on-premises data sources such as SQL Server, Oracle, and Teradata. You can use Azure Data Factory to build pipelines that copy data from one data store to another data store. Thank you. See you soon with next set of useful questions. Take care.